Fabriksgatan. Tehtaankatu Fabriksgatan 20C, Kokkola, Kone, Finland. 5 persons of large range, Kone traction elevator. Very nice. That's right. It's like VF. Also, we can try to go from that side to see if all the doors are locked off from that side. This is B&A. It's 1996, H68515 with 6 floors. Very nice.
Oh wow, it says it's Finnish and Swedish on this version.
This version, yes, says Finnish and Swedish. That's very nice. In 1996. It's going to be inspected this year, 2019. I like this one. The light is quite bright. Maybe it has been fixed recently.
Yeah.
And it has 6 floors.
Bottom drive. I want to do a second ride.
Me too.
Full memory.
Yeah.
Cool.
I think those numbers look more like early 1990s. Same style. But still used on some novel elevators from 1993 to 96. 92 maybe too.
Press P.
Yeah.
It's really nice that they have full memory. It's so advanced.
Yeah, also the 1995 one has that we found here just before this one.
Inspected by Elspect and maintained by Kone.
It's going to turn 25 years old in 2021.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah. They have just one minus, and it's just that it takes
a little
time.
while to start.
Yeah. Because there are people who doesn't have a good patience.
We don't. I don't have sometimes.
Yeah, me too.
But it's very nice still. Then there was the 1996 before there. Where they took it away.
Or 1995.
Or 1995.
That's